So student, now we will discuss IUPAC nomenclature of alkyl halide. See, just take example. In IUPAC nomenclature, the name of the alkyl halide is haloalkene. Haloalkene. Haloalkene means we have to name halogen atom as halo followed by alkene, name of the alkene, halo. Suppose chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine. Chlorine is there, then chloro, bromine, bromo, iodo, fluoro. Okay, like this, fluoro. So these are the prefixes used in alkene. Now, for example, CH3, CH2, CH, chlorine, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. Now in for this case it is not possible to give common name because structure is complicated. Now in that case we can easily give IUPAC nomenclature. We have already discussed rules of IUPAC nomenclature and everything. Now just try to give directly name to this compound. What we have to do? See, in this compound functional group is chlorine. Chlorine is a functional group. That is, now what we have to do? We have to select longest chain of carbon atom. See, including halogen atom, means carbon atom having halogen atom. What we have to do? We have to select the longest chain of carbon atom, and that chain contain halogen atom and maximum number of substituent. That is the rule. Okay, see, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So longest chain is this, and that this chain having halogen atom, attachment with halogen atom. Okay, and so this longest chain contain how many carbon atom? Longest chain contain how many carbon atom? 6 carbon atom. So parent alkane, what is the parent alkane having 6 carbon atom? That is hexane. Hexane is a parent alkane. Okay, now this CH3 is a substituent. We know substituent or side chain, and the name of this substituent is methyl group. Methyl group, name of the substituent is methyl group. Okay, now longest chain contains 6 carbon atom, therefore name is hexane. Chlorine is present, halogen atom is chlorine, so chloro. Combine this, so chlorohexane is a parent name of this alkyl halide, chlorohexane. Now one substituent is there, and then again we have to identify the position. Now give numbering to the carbon atom present in longest chain. So numbering, we have to give number in such a way that the carbon having halogen atom must get lowest possible number. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. So chlorine atom attached to carbon number 3, therefore 3 chlorohexane. So this is the position of chlorine atom. And methyl group, this methyl group attached to carbon number 4. So name of the substituent add before the name of alkyl halide, haloalkene. Now so 4 methyl 3 chlorohexane is the IUPAC name of this compound. 4 methyl 3 chlorohexane is the IUPAC name. Okay, so what we have to do? First we have to select the longest chain, and that chain having attachment with halogen atom, as well as it must contain maximum number of substituent, and after selecting longest chain, that the number of carbon atom present in the longest chain give the parent alkene. Okay, and then identify halogen atom. If chlorine, then name chloro. If bromine, bromo, iodo, fluoro. In this example, chlorine atom is present, therefore chlorohexane. Chlorohexane is a parent name of this alkyl haloalkane or alkyl halide. Now, just to identify the position of halogen atom and substituent in the chain, give numbering to the carbon atom present in the chain. How? The numbering is given in such a way that the carbon having halogen atom should get lowest possible number. Okay, so in this way, in this example, chlorine is attached to carbon number 3 and substituent methyl is attached to carbon number 4. So name, IUPAC name is 4-methyl 3-chlorohexane, and we know remaining rules, dash, hyphen, where we have to use, okay, like this. So this is one of the example. Say, next example. See, in this example, bromine is present, okay, Br. Now, same rule, select longest chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, longest chain is of 8 carbon atom, 8 carbon atom, 8 carbon. 8 carbon means octane, okay. And in this example, halogen atom is bromine, that is bromo. So parent alkane, parent name is bromo octane, okay, right? Then substituent, identify substituent here, here and here. So how many substituent present? 3. Methyl, methyl, ethyl, okay. So 2 methyl group and 1 ethyl group. So their name we have to attach before the name of bromooctane. Now see, 2 methyl group means dimethyl, okay, dimethyl, then ethyl, okay. We have to also attach their number, position, identify position. See, give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So bromine atom attached to carbon number 3, so 3 bromo, okay. 2 methyl group attached to carbon number 2 and 2 methyl group attached to carbon number 2, therefore 2 dimethyl, and ethyl group attached to carbon number 5. So and E come first alphabetically, so 5 ethyl, 2 dimethyl, okay. Bromine 3 bromo octane, okay. So this is the IUPAC name of this compound, right? Very simple. So student, try to understand various rules by which IUPAC name is given, and in your textbook various examples are given with their common name and IUPAC name. Try to identify. Now what we have to do now, try to draw structure from the name. If name is given, then we have to draw its structure. For example, see, 3 dimethyl, 2 chloro pentane. This is the IUPAC name of alkyl halide. Now by using this, from this name we have to draw the structure. How to draw structure? See, in this name, parent alkyl halide is parent alkyl halide is chloropentane. Pentane means 5 carbon atom. So draw the chain of 5 carbon atom. Okay, first give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now this is the chain of 5 carbon atom, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, these dimethyl is a substituent, and position of chlorine is chloro, 2. So chlorine atom attached to carbon number 2, and methyl group, these two methyl group attached to carbon number 3, CH3, CH3. Okay, then remaining are hydrogen, CH3, CH, CH2, CH3. So this is the structure for this compound. Okay, so by using this procedure we can draw structure from IUPAC name. Okay, you must have idea to draw structure from IUPAC name as well as give IUPAC name from structure. Okay, right? So this is the nomenclature of alkyl halide. So student, in next class we will discuss the preparation of alkyl halide, various method to prepare alkyl halide, their chemical properties, physical properties, and so on. Thank you very much.